Hey guys, it is Adam, and I'm with Digital AI Magic. We're a digital marketing company, and we also specialize in AI inbound and outbound calls. And in fact, that's what we're going to show you today. We're going to do a quick AI call that's going to be an outbound call. So this is something that realtors are doing, and so they come to us. We have set this up, and so an AI is going to call out to their list of names, and they're going to check and see if they're looking to sell their house. And if they are, it's going to get some information, and then this way the realtor can follow up with them. It will also ask them for their email address. And one of the other things that we could do is send out emails that will give the homeowners different ways on how to stage their house or do different things to get a better return when they actually sell their house. So that helps with kind of warming them up and keeping them warm if they're not necessarily looking to sell their house right away, but maybe in a year from now. And this way they still have you top of mind. So it's nurturing the leads. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit more about this. So this was actually a call that we just did, but let me go ahead and show you the new call. So we are going to set this up to call right now. Well, it only takes about 2 minutes, the way I've been doing it, going through the call. In fact, here we go.
This is Sarah calling from Bright Horizons Realty. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, Sarah. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm reaching out to see if you've considered selling your property. Is that something you've thought about or might consider in the future?
Yes, I'm looking to sell my property.
That's great to hear, Adam. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions about your property to get started?
Sure.
Great, thanks. First off, how many bedrooms does your property have?
It has 5 bedrooms.
Got it, 5 bedrooms. And how many bathrooms does it have?
3.
All right, 3 bathrooms. And in which city is your property located?
It's in Atlanta.
Gotcha, Atlanta. Could you please provide the zip code for your property?
Yes, it's 30105.
Thank you. So we have 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in Atlanta, zip code 30105. Just to get a clearer picture, could you tell me about the square footage of your property?
Yeah, it's 2,500 square feet.
All right, 2,500 square feet. Are you willing to set up an appointment with a realtor to see the house?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Fantastic. Could you also provide your email address so we can send over the appointment details?
Yeah, it's Adam at digitalaimagic.com.
Thanks, Adam. So just to confirm, your email address is adam@digitalamagic.com, right?
Yes.
Great. Would you be willing to receive emails about how to get your house ready to maximize profit when selling?
Yes, that'd be great.
Thank you for all the information, Adam. We'll definitely look into this, and one of our agents will be in touch shortly with all the details and to help you out. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you for speaking Bright Horizons Realty. Have a great day.
All right. So that was one of the calls, and I'm just curious how long it's on. So the call itself just took 1 minute and 59 seconds. Now, actually, wow, it's already populated. So here is all the information in the Google sheet. We said 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, Atlanta, 30105. Again, I just made that up. I'm not sure that's the right zip code, but 2,500 square feet. It's got that. It's got my email correct, and it even has, this is the recording. So in certain states that don't allow recording, we might actually have to take that off. But I know Georgia's a one-party state, meaning one party can allow for the recording. So unfortunately, the way this, I'm not sure if we can hear this, but this is the whole recording. That's the right amount of time. So that's just one part of what we could do. If somebody literally wanted to talk to the real estate agent right then and there, we'd be able to program it in to call them directly, or we could even program it where it can put an appointment onto their calendar instead of right now we just have it set up to email them back later. Again, the whole emails. The benefit of this is to keep them warm, keep them nurtured, and continue to feed them stuff that's going to help them to remember you, and because they're going to want to sell their house for more money. So we send up just a series of emails once a month, once every 2 weeks, just kind of depending, but so that we're top of mind. So this is more of what we're doing here at Digital AI Magic in terms of our outbound calling. Um, and let me know when you are ready to get involved, or if you have any questions. Maybe you have a project you want to work on with us as well. We'd be super excited to work with you. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and take care.